Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Jacqueline and in today's video I will be unboxing and doing a try on of the April 2019 Boxycharm. I just received it last evening and I'm very excited to show you what I got this time around. But before we get started, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please ring that little notification bell. That's the only way that YouTube will let you know whenever I upload new videos. Also, follow me on Instagram. I would love to see you there. And now, let's get started. If you're new to Boxycharm, it is a subscription box that costs $21 a month. And the promise of Boxycharm is that you will receive 4 to 5 products that they are full size. So no travel size, no mini samples or anything like that. And they will be worth it about $100 around that price. That's the promise of Boxycharm. Now you can actually buy your subscription and you can cancel it at any time. While you're a charmer, you're able to upgrade also to have a Boxy Looks, which is a seasonal box. So there's so many different areas about Boxycharm that I really enjoy. I have been a charmer for about 8 months now and I have been enjoying all my boxes. If you're interested in these boxes, I will leave a link down below so that you can check it out what it's all about, Boxycharm. Now let's get started. Usually when you open your box, the first thing that you're gonna find is a little postcard that it tells you the theme of the month. And this April month, the theme is Peace, Love, and Boxy. And then on the back of your card, you will see all the items that you are receiving. It gives you a little bit of description of the items, prices, like the retail value. On the back of the postcard, you should be able to see the variation of your box, and mine is number 6, so you will always find it right here on the corner. Now here's my first item, and these are the Luxy Summer Days brush set. We typically receive a lot of brushes with Boxycharm. It's a really good way to actually get nice quality brushes. And Luxy, I mean, they had worked a lot with Boxycharm. This Luxy Summer Days set costs $28. And let's see, we have the first brush is the 512, which is a small contouring brush. Then we have the 245, which is a small shader brush right here. And then we have the Luxy 209, which is a large shader brush. And now these are really pretty actually. Actually, they kind of go with my shirt. It has a gold ferrule and the handle is hot pink and it actually shades kind of like an ombre shade to a gold. So it's kind of like a sunset. And actually, Luxy brushes, they are really nice quality. So that's our first item. Next item is the holographic lip gloss by the brand Appeal. I have never heard about this brand before, so I guess it's a new one. It's actually argan oil infused, so that's really good. That will be hydrating for your lips. And actually this lip gloss costs $21. That's really expensive right there for a lip gloss. I'm surprised. I will have to look where we can buy these lip glosses and a little bit more about the brand. I'm just curious about it. So there you go, that's $21. Next item in my box is this Bodyography Bali Bronze Eye Pencil. And it's one that you can sharpen it, and the color, it seems to be like a bronze color, kind of like between a copper and a gold. It doesn't seem to be hard, it's applying really soft, and it's actually a really pretty color. It will work well, I think, for my waterline, although it seems a little bit hard, and also for my eyelids. So now this Bodyography eye pencil value is $14. So that's great. Ooh, next, this makes me excited. This is so good. So we received the Pure Festival 12-piece pressed pigment palette. So it seems like it's an eyeshadow palette. Well, it says it's pressed pigment. So now, by now we know that when they call palette pressed pigment, you're not supposed to be using it in the immediate eye area. That is what, you know, they are supposed to disclose. But you know how this goes in makeup. Now this festival palette, actually Coachella is coming right now, is this weekend. So I mean, we're seeing many brands coming out with these type of palettes that are very colorful. In the back, it shows a little bit of like the colors that you have. This palette is actually limited edition, and it has bold, imaginative pigments that elevate the look. It has some metallics and glitters, and it's actually cruelty free. And the actual retail value is $36. I like that it comes actually with a mirror. These are the colors right here. They're really, really pretty, actually. I really like them. I'm not too crazy about glitters, but you know, we may have fun today and just do something different. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmers, including this purple color is a shimmer. I will be swatching this in a minute. And next, oh, it came also, but it seems like this is not part of, because it's not here on my card, Pure Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. Okay, so we received also an eyeshadow primer that came with the palette. And next I received, oh, I'm very excited about this. I have been wanting to try this brand. This is Artist Couture, and it's a Diamond Glow powder. And let's see, these cost $27. It is all natural, vegan, and cruelty free. It's a powder highlight that actually you can use it on your eyes, lips, face, and body. And it's for all the skin tones, for an unreal tone. Now the shade that I got is called Purple Dream. Hopefully it's not purple. Let me open it. No, it's not purple. It's actually a very pretty color. It's kind of like a peachy color. It's really, really pretty. I actually like it a lot. Oh, that makes me happy that it wasn't actually a purple color, because I will not use purple. So this actually, I'm excited about this one because I have been wanting to try Artist Couture. I think that's all what I got in my box. And now if I adding up all the products right here, okay, the total value of my box is $126. So this is a really, really good box. So now let's just start by applying some products. I was filming some videos before these, so I have already my base, a little bit of blush, and I have, I think, some lipstick, but I removed my eyeshadow. Okay, I just threw the box because it was in the middle of my way. Okay, what about if we start with some swatches of this beautiful palette? There you go, and those are the swatches. So, so pretty. Very pretty palette. Okay, so let's just create something for our eyes, and let's just go with something festival. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this Endurance Eyeshadow Primer by Pure, and it just comes like this. And let's see, it looks kind of like a concealer type of base. I'm just gonna put it here on my eyelids. It doesn't say anything if I need to set it, but I'm gonna set it. Just gonna use some translucent powder. Okay, so I'm gonna start first with the shade Epic. It's this kind of orange color right here, and I'm gonna be using the Luxie 209 large shader brush. So let's go with that. Also on my lower lash line. I'm gonna use this Morphe brush, and I'm gonna go with the Pressed Pigment Wild Child. Is this hot pink right here, and I'm gonna start packing it. Back to the Luxie brush in 209, the large one. I'm going back to the shade Epic, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more up here and kind of blend the edges. I'm gonna go again with the hot pink color, the Wild Child. I'm just gonna pack it just a dash more. I'm gonna use the small shader Luxie 245, and I'm gonna go into the shade Sunset, which is this color right here. So pretty. This color right here. And I'm gonna use that color on the inner V of my lid.
Wait, that makes no sense.
Next I'm gonna go with this glitter that it looks kind of like platinum gold. It's just so pretty, and it actually has a base to it, so I think it will adhere to my lid fairly well. I'm just gonna put it kind of in the middle. Now for my lower lash line, I'm gonna go with the shade Wild Child, the hot pink one, in the same Morphe packing brush, and I'm just gonna apply it very little right here. Apply a little bit more of that shade Sunset right here with the Luxie 245. I'm done with that side. Now I'm gonna be using Monsieur Big Mascara by Lancome. I have finished and done my other eye, and I also had applied mascara and eyelashes and an eyeliner. Now I'm gonna go with this Ballet Bronze eye pencil and try to see if it will work on my waterline. It seems to be a hard type of pencil. So let's just see if it will work. Just, you know, I don't know if you can see. It's a really pretty color. It's that bronze color. Just see if it will apply well. It does, but it's a very light color. It's almost, you can, well, with this eye look, you can almost not see it. I think this may be better with like a bronze type of look. It will show off more, like if you use this side of the palette right here with these kind of like matte colors right over here. I think it will show off a little better. This is a Pixie Copper Glow, and just for my waterline. So now let's go with the rest of the face. So we still need to try this Artist Couture Purple Dream Diamond Glow Powder. There you go. It's really pretty packaging. Actually, I think they sell this brand at Sephora. Oh, and it comes with a nice sifter. This is kind of hard, but it actually has like a sticker inside that you need to take it out in order for the powder to come out. So open it up. The side. Oh shoot. Yeah, eat over the whole thing. I have a huge mess here. Packaging is nice, but they just need to put the sticker on top so it's easier to take it off. Let's just go ahead and do it. Just put some powder right here. I want to make you a quick swatch of the powder. I'll just show you right here. I have a lot of glitter everywhere, but there you go. That's the swatch of the highlighter. So it has some peach tone to it, some pink and gold. It's very pretty, but it's more into the pink tone. So I'm just gonna use this Morphe M213 brush. It's a tiny itsy bitsy brush right there. And I'm just gonna grab a little bit of this highlighter, top of the excess, and I'm just gonna put it in my inner corners. Oh yeah, this it shows, the powder shows on the container to be peach color, but it's actually purple. So well, with this eye look, it's okay, but I don't know for my face. I'm not going anywhere after this, so I can just, if I don't like it, I take it off, but yeah, it's purple. So it's very deceiving because the powder right here, it literally looks like not purple. It looks peach. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the highlighter, and with this Luxie, it's a contouring brush, but I'm just gonna use it. It's a 512. I'm just gonna go and coat some of the highlighter, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my cheekbones. And last, I'm gonna try this holographic lip gloss by Appeal. And I already have some lipstick that I was wearing today morning, like a coral color, what I have on. So let's see. Oh, this is a pretty color. It has actually a little bit of gold sparkles to it, and it doesn't have any scent. Now the applicator is very thin, so it doesn't really get a lot of the product. It's kind of hard to get it out, but there you go. And let me swatch it for you too. Here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see anything right there, but yeah, it doesn't have any color, it just have the glitters in it. So this is the look that I had created with my Boxycharm of April. I think it's very much festival, and it just calls for like Coachella type of vibes. How do I feel about this Boxycharm for April? I think it's really nice. It's kind of different. You have, I think the things that I like the most is actually the palette. I'm very, very happy that I got it. It has a lot of neutral colors, all of these right here. So you just have these two pop-up colors and these glitters right here that actually, they were so easy to adhere. I didn't need to use any glitter glue, so I like it a lot. I was excited by this Artist Couture powder, you know, highlighter, but it's actually purple. It looks peach on the sifter, but it's purple, so I don't think I will get much of use. I like the brushes. Luxie does good brushes, so those are a go. Now for this Appeal lip gloss, my only downside, it is, I mean, like, you could go with very light application, which is good, but it's the applicator itself. It's a doe foot applicator, but I don't know, when you get it inside, it doesn't pick pretty much any product. So you can be there like trying to get product out and you will not get out any product. The eye pencil, I couldn't give it really a fair try because it just didn't work on my waterline. It doesn't say that it goes in the waterline, but you know, I try. Maybe you know, it will work good for your eyelids and it should be fine. The color is really nice, so I will give it a try at another time. This primer worked really good. The only thing is, like, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to use the rest. I just open it, but I mean, it was just a sample thing. Now at the end, what I think that is the best for my own personal use is the palette and the brushes. Those are the ones. And that's a wrap right there. Hopefully you really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really look forward to your comments down below. I will really appreciate your feedback. It's super important for me. Thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe once again. If you like these type of videos, give a thumbs up to this video. Also, don't forget I'm leaving the link for Boxycharm. If you want to subscribe, there's a link on the box down below. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Until the next time, you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye bye.